Contracts are the lifeblood of recurring revenue for today's field service business. But if you're managing hundreds of agreements across different spreadsheets and applications, it's only a matter of time before a service visit is missed or renewal date passes you by. With Fieldpoint, you get a modern contract management system that automates the entire contract lifecycle so you never miss a service call and your revenue stays protected. Building and housing all of your contracts in one system is easy. Whether it's a simple preventative maintenance agreement or a complex multi-site or equipment contract, you can manage every detail in one unified spot. You can build deeper, more detailed contracts based on the specific products and equipment your customers own. Instead of scheduling generic visits, you're performing inspections and preventative maintenance on the exact items that keep their business running. This level of detail covers every critical asset, giving your customers total transparency into the service you provide. This is where automation takes over. By building preventive maintenance schedules on specific timelines, you ensure your inspections and service calls are never missed. Fieldpoint automatically generates the work orders for you, complete with the right parts, specific checklists, and all the documentation your technicians need to complete the service appointment. Automating doesn't stop with service calls. Automate your entire invoicing and renewal process to ensure invoices go out on time, every time. By tracking renewal dates, you never have to worry about a contract expiring unnoticed. It's a complete system that protects your recurring revenue and keeps cash flow predictable. By managing your entire contract lifecycle in one system, you're building a predictable, automated revenue engine. You'll have total visibility into every agreement in a modern software built to protect your growth and ensure you never miss an opportunity to serve your customers. Ready to see what a modern, high-growth platform looks like for your team? Let's get started.